trainee sila.
Kailanman hindi mamamatay ang Pinoy Wrestling! Hanggang buhay ako! May Pinoy Wrestling!
Big City, weighing in at 220 pounds, Here is your winner, the Filipina Vixen, Chelsea Marie.
My friend wouldn't have that. He only charged me 500 pesos.
Steve, you've never learned. This one is a fraud.
Chelsea, don't be jealous. He loved me at my worst. You had me at my best. And you're still not my bestie.
Well, whatever. I want to fight someone else. You're better.
Ano to?
It's just jet lag.
Jet lag.
Come on. Come on, turn it around. Turn it around. Rev, you got the crowd.
Ano ginagawa mo dito?
Yeah, when you're 57 years old, you can make those noises too. Chelsea, everybody on social media knows that you don't have an opponent. But let's be honest. In that locker room, there's not too many foreign options. I've already been choked out tonight. Like you said, you already kicked my ass before. So I called on a friend. And this friend is also an alpha. And he is begging for the opportunity to wrestle against Chelsea. Now, I'm not going to tell you his name, but I will tell you that he comes from the beautiful country of Korea.
Really? Crazy.
Chelsea Marie!
Anong siya yung nakita kong babae? Kalaban, hindi lalaki.
Hello. You love the new gear? Well, obviously, Matchmaker Linus overlooked me again. Well, hold on. Is it because I've never responded to the DMs when it's tried to slide? Yeah, that's right. I remember. What do you mean? Can you blame me? Have you seen your face, bro? I mean, a face that your mommy would love, for sure. Anyway, obviously this is a surprise match again. And yesterday at the meet and greet, I found Steve told me that he's gonna find me a suitable opponent for tonight. You know, someone better than him, because I beat his ass. I found Steve! Get your white ass out of here!
In tears. I wanna fucking be with them. Ang dami nangyari. Anyway, gusto ko lang magpasalamat. And here's to 10 more years, guys. Alam nila na I never like you. Pero every time na nagtutos tayo sa ring, give out the best in me. From that, yung respeto ko sa'yo, from this, nandito na. And I want to speak to the person behind that David Romela character. One of the most humble person, makikilala nyo. One of the most hardworking person. Dave, salamat.
Kiss! Kiss! Kiss!
Hi. For those of you who don't know, if you don't, it's fine, not your fault. My name is Maine Max. And it is May 25, 2014, when I started, when I have my debut
Yeah, 10 years.
at the boxing gym somewhere in Bikutan.
Woo!
And after 10 years, I'm still here. Who would have thought that chubby guy from Diliman na sinachat din ng Bone Dream magtatagal ng isang dekada sa Pinoy Wrestling? Dami nangyari. First year pa lang, 2015, gusto ko na mag-quit, gusto ko na mag-retire. But I'm still here, 10 years. Di ko alam kung anong reason. Dito yung hard cam, sorry. Naging champion ako, na-injure ako, I almost weighed 300 pounds. Nagka-pandemic, I lost my home promotion. And I stick with the friends, the people that I consider my family. Ito, nangyari na naman. Nagaya nga ng sabi ko, Pinoy wrestling is never a place, never a promotion. It's a people. Tayo ang Pinoy wrestling. Pinoy wrestling tayo. At sorry, paulit-ulit tayo ito maririnig mamaya. But as we celebrate 10 years of Pinoy wrestling, just wanna say, let's acknowledge the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future of the sports that we love. Last thing, I was supposed to say this, that I don't have much time left in Pinoy wrestling. But there are two things na gusto kong mangyari. Pero, none of that shit matter right now. I don't care if makapag-wrestling pa ako abroad. I don't care if maging champion pa ako. I just want to be with the people that I considered as a friend. The people na nakikita niyo dyan sa production.